First, go to Control Panel, then go to Network and Internet, then Network Sharing Center, and go to Advanced Sharing Settings. Then on Public, click Network Discovery and File Printer Sharing Files and Printer Sharing. Then on Private, click Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing. On all networks, click Public Folder Sharing. Go to File Explorer. Click Downloads. Create a new file. Name the file on however you want it to be named. Pick a specific image. Copy the image. Go to your file and paste the image. Right-click the folder and click More Options. Then give access to specific people. The rectangle thing and pick everyone. Add and share your file. Then click Done. Computer. Go to Networks and click on the computer. Go to Users, then go to ASTD, click Downloads. Now find your folder. Copy your folder, go on Downloads. Paste your folder. And now you're done.